Here you see the optimal working of the ponds, a cascade of ponds, where you try to capture as much as possible water with the extra swale arms. This is, by the way, all created by help with local people who really have knowledge about the terrain. So you see the water stopping, infiltrating, going to the second one, stopping, infiltrating. And at the end, you see that it really moves back into the river and then continues the flow. Before this, it was just runoff water. And now you capture it several times. Water has time to sink in. You catch the sediment. Probably in 2 years' time, this will all be green. And you have the possibility to build here beautiful trees on the slopes.
Here you can see that we made a big mistake in the beginning. We didn't know it was a mistake. We started with planting the trees. They are now already adult trees, but this fact makes it more difficult at this moment because we have to add in new waterworks.
But it's extremely complicated to fit them in between your adult trees and to, let's say, to slow down the water. So that was one of the, I think, the biggest mistakes we made. So please do the right order. Stop tilling, do your water harvesting, then do your cover crops, then start taking care of your weeds, and then start planting trees, and not in the wrong order.
But this is how it works. From mistakes you learn, and every year we ask ourselves, what kind of mistakes do we make this year and what will we learn about this?